These girls haven't been let out for a few mornings, but I don't think they've forgotten our routine. Good morning. Why do you two keep being in the same nesting box? There's literally open ones. Let's get you out. You can go eat some grass. Go on. Go eat some grass. Are you gonna get out? Or are you gonna be stubborn today like you have been? Come on. Okay, Grumpy. Everyone's out there if you want to go. Let's get this coop clean. We got it clean for him. This lady's back in the nesting box, and this lady's complaining. There are 3 other nesting boxes, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, sleeping crew. Let's get it clean in here. We got it clean for him. Hey, Broody girls. I'm getting ready to bring some scratch out. I'd hop out of there if I was you. All right, girls, let's head back to the run. I brought new calcium in here for the chicken, and these ladies are back to sitting in the same nesting box. You're missing scratch. You're about to miss all the scratch. You better hurry up. Oh, goodness. It sounds like it's about to rain. Go, go, go. Now it's you guys' turn. Moose is waiting down here for her personal one. She gave up on me, but I actually did bring some this time. Dwayne, be gentle. Hey, Doug. Good morning, Dwayne. Good morning, Atlee. Good morning, Bridget. No, Atlee. No. I forgot to shut the bunny thing. Whew, that could have been bad. One time we did forget, and Dove broke in and smashed this trying to get to their hay and their litters. I'm glad it wasn't you that noticed it. Are you in a pleasant mood this morning, or are you grumpy? Good morning, Dove. I'm gonna get your fly mask on before I let you out. Here you go, sister. Have a good day. Good morning, Ember. Ooh, are Ember and Harlow fighting over who gets to come out first? Good morning, Harlow. Silly girls. Go eat some breakfast. Are you girls ready for some breakfast? You ate all your food. We got these girls their hay, pellets, and water. Felicity has her hay, pellets, and water. And Honey has his hay, pellets, and water. Have a good day, bud. Evie just came into the barn, so I think she's looking for breakfast. Just a second, sister. Dove, that's really mean. Harlow gets to eat too. Especially if it's gonna rain on you guys. Let her get some dry hay. Atlee, goodness, everyone's being rude this morning. You looking for some breakfast too, Charlie? Let's go. Here's the rain that I heard coming. So glad I have the chicken coops wide open. It's too hot to keep them closed. The cows don't care. Charlie does, though. You want me to bring your food closer to you? There you go, buddy. You're not gonna eat it? Is your belly full? Brought it closer to Evie also. That food almost get you? These cats are so funny because when treats come out, Charlie hardly lets Evie get a bite. But in the morning at breakfast time, Charlie lets Evie have her full desire before he really gets down to eating. The chickens are getting some extra treats today while Wayne is waiting on us to get ready to head to a fun day at the cove. We just got home from a day at a water park. Luca decided it's a good day, or evening I guess, to brush out the bunnies. So she's starting with Miss Molly. While she's doing that, I'm gonna go check on the other animals. Hey Ember, how you doing, sister? Those stinking flies. Getting you, aren't they? Hey Dove. How's the fly mask working today? Is it making you feel better? Maybe. Hey, sweet Harlow. How are you doing? Hey, Bridget, how are you? How are you doing, Atlee? Find some yummy clovers to eat? Looks like Dwayne's hanging out in his safe area. He did just appear to be taking a nap. That's kind of odd for him. Doing okay, buddy? Hey, Charlie. What are you fussing about? I think Charlie's not really a fan of us being gone all the time. I know. No more plans, though. We'll be home from now on. Hey, guys. How'd you get along today? Did you stay cool? I'm not bringing treats. You've already had plenty of that today. Just coming to check on everyone. What about you guys? Did you stay cool today? Enjoy that soaker hose of yours? Yeah? Alright, I'll be back out in a little bit to collect eggs and put you all to bed. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Lana came out and she's giving Felicity some brushes. Does that feel good, Felicity? Now Honey's getting some brushes from Luca. I'm gonna work on Hallie. Came out here to try and hang out with Charlie because he was crying and whining to do my grocery list. And he just climbed right up on my lap. He's purring and demanding all the attention. You're a sweet boy. He does still have his claws, so when he is, I think my girls call it muffining on my lap, it makes me a little bit nervous, but he hasn't hurt me yet. We're coming out to put these girls up. It looks like they know what time it is. All right, Atlee. Good job, Dove. I'm coming, Harlow. Here you go, you crazy girls. Dwayne knows what time it is. Good night, buddy. Are you ready for a bedtime treat, Felicity? Oh, does that one taste better? Hey girls, you ready for your treats? Does this one not taste yummy? Sorry. What's wrong with that one? That's all I have. Here's your bedtime treat, honey. Good night, buddy. See you in the morning. We're gonna get Dove's fly mask off. Well, either the flies are still getting in, or flies aren't the reason that her eyes are weeping, because I feel like she's still got a pretty wet face. What are we gonna do with you? Poor girl. Majority of the bantams are in bed, so we're gonna collect their eggs and then get them closed up. Colonel, do you have any eggs under you? You've got 2. Thank you, ma'am. What about you, Hershey? You got any eggs under you? 2? Okay, thank you. Have any eggs under you? Haha, I got my hand away from you. Thank you. Good night, girls. We'll see you in the morning. Not everyone's in bed over here, but a lot of them are, so we're gonna collect eggs, get their soaker hose turned off, and close up their doors. Hey, lady, that's not your egg. We've got these eggs, these ones. In front of this Broody girl, we've got a mess. Let's see what we have under her. Nothing? Make sure her feet aren't stuck. Can tell. She definitely has some yolk on her beak. Please don't need eggs. What about you, ma'am? What eggs do you have under you? Any more? Just these 2. All right, girls. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Bridget. Good night, Atlee. Good night, Dove. Good night, Harlow. Good night, Ember. We hope you all had a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.